Introducing the brand new BREVILLE Barista Touch Impress espresso machine. Hey everyone, I'm Tara from Seattle Coffee Gear. Our team got to see this new machine at the SCA Expo this year, and we were blown away by how much had been included in the new BREVILLE. You all know and love BREVILLE and are likely familiar with the coveted BREVILLE Barista Express Impress. This new machine is the next generation of the Impress line and has been designed to fulfill every home barista's needs, plus some. Let's walk through the design, features, and benefits of this incredibly smart espresso machine. The design of the BREVILLE Barista Touch Impress is consistent with the design of the BREVILLE Barista Series machines and features a modern and sleek design with a brushed stainless steel exterior and black accents. Recognizable from every angle, the Touch Impress goes well with most kitchen styles and will only add to a home coffee bar. The touchscreen is modern, fresh, and includes icons that add a fun and engaging look to the machine's overall appearance. The BREVILLE Touch Impress comes with a range of features that make it a versatile and convenient appliance for coffee lovers. Some of the key features of this machine include a 15-bar Italian-made pump. This ensures optimal pressure for a rich, balanced espresso shot and intelligent dosing. The assisted 10-kilogram tamping and auto correction helps achieve a precise puck finished with a 7-degree barista twist. This simplifies the steps needed to grind, dose, and tamp to create a perfect puck every time. If you have any errors in your grind or tamp, the machine will tell you exactly what to correct for next time. Next, a thermojet heating system. With a 3-second heat up time, the machine is ready to go almost immediately. Another great feature is the digital temperature control PID. This technology delivers water at precisely the right temperature for optimal espresso extraction. Plus, the Touch Impress provides barista guidance, which teaches you exactly what to do step by step. So if you have someone in your household who loves coffee and is eager to learn how to brew better at home, this machine is a teacher in itself. Next, the PreInfusion function. The machine applies low water pressure at the start of the extraction to gently expand the grind, delivering a smooth and even extraction. Another great feature is the adjustable grind size and dose. The built-in conical burr grinder allows you to customize the grind size and dose to suit your taste preference. The machine includes Barista European precision burrs with 30 grind settings. And of course, hands-free operation. The machine features an automatic steam wand that delivers silky smooth microfoam for latte art without the need for manual intervention. The most impressive element of this machine, in our opinion, is the alternative milk settings. You can choose between 3 alternative milk settings while brewing, which calibrate air injection time and temperature specific to the type of milk you choose. So oat milk or almond milk people, that's for you. Another key feature is the one-touch operation. The intuitive control panel features one-touch buttons for single and double shots, as well as programmable shot volume and milk temperature. There's even hands-free microphone capabilities, which means you can start the entire brew process, set up your milk pitcher, and set it to auto steam, so right when your espresso shot is done brewing, your milk will steam perfectly without you needing to be anywhere near the machine. You'll also get a whole host of accessories with your purchase, like all of the basics, steaming pitcher and a portafilter, plus you'll get a razor trimming tool, steam wand cleaning tool, and so much more. And lastly, easy maintenance. The machine features a removable drip tray, water tank, and cleaning disc for effortless cleaning and maintenance. To be honest, the only con we can see is if someone is more interested in a machine with less assistance or with fewer intelligent sort of do-it-for-you capabilities, this machine might not be the best fit for you. The BREVILLE Touch Impress also may be out of your budget, but there are several other BREVILLE models that range in price and have some of the same functions. Okay, now let's make a drink with this brand new machine. The Barista Touch Impress espresso machine incorporates the 4 key formulas used by professional cafe machines. It's designed to use the right dose of freshly ground beans, ensure precise temperature control, and optimal water pressure, as well as create true microfoam milk essential for any latte artist. This thing is a beast. Interested in the Touch and Press but have more questions? Chat with our team online at seattlecoffeegear.com or call us directly. And sign up for our email newsletter and get 10% off one item on our site. Exclusions apply there, so make sure to read more below and go sign up. Make sure to like, subscribe, and do all those fun things, and we'll see you in the next video.